everyone, it's your girl here, Vika. So in today's tutorial, as you can see by the title of this video, yes, I'm going to show you guys how I recreated the look that Kim Kardashian was wearing on the Met Gala event. So I'm just going to play around with the few products that I have, and if you happen to recreate this look, please feel free to share it on my Instagram or Facebook page, and let's have fun. So don't forget to subscribe, to like this video, to give it a thumbs up, and with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so I've already done my right eye, so I'm going to show you guys how I did it on my left eye, how I achieved this catty eye look that Kim Kardashian was wearing. She looked beautiful. I'm going to zoom so that you can really see. So I'm going to apply my concealer first on my crease area so that my eyeshadow won't crease. So instead of eye primer, I use concealer. Now I'm going to take some pressed powder and set my concealer. Okay, so on my eyes, I'm going to go in with this Coppelia color eyeshadow trio by Average Lane. I'm going to use these two colors. So I'm going to take this one and a little bit of this. So I'm going to apply this on my cut crease. Now I'm going to go in with this color, and I'm going to apply this on my eyelid. Now I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and make sure that I blend my eyeshadows. Okay, now for that catty eye look, I'm going to go in with my jet eyeliner, and I'm going to create a wing . So this liner is going to also work as a base for my eyeshadow. Okay, now that I've applied my eyeliner, I'm going in with this black single eyeshadow by Average Lane. So I'm just going to pat this on using a pencil brush. So towards my wing liner, I make sure that I apply my eyeshadow going inwards so that I can have control of my product. Okay, now on my lower eyelid, I'm going to go in with this LA Girl Line Gel Liner. Okay, the attention was on the eyes, and those lashes were just amazing on her. But I don't have such type of lashes. I'm already wearing my falsies already, so to just zhuzh up everything, I'm just going to add these wispy lashes so that I can zhuzh up my eye look. Okay, now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm just going to highlight. I'm going in with Warm Honey Elegant Concealer, and I'm going to use now I'm going to set my highlight with this Copelia translucent powder in the shade Dark. Now I'm going to bronze my face with this colorful pressed powder in the shade Deep. I'm going to use this big fan brush to And now for my blush, I'm going to go in with this Lancome blush to add some warmth on my skin. It's the one that I'm going to go in. Contour my nose, I'm going in with this Sleek Contour Kit in the shade Light. Okay, for my highlight, I'm going to go in with this Baked Bronzer by Palladios. I love applying my highlighter with my beauty blender, so just going to dab in my highlighter. I love applying it with my beauty blender. It also blends everything. I don't like a highlighter that is too shouting. So yeah, I actually apply this all over my face to just give my skin that glow. my lips, I'm going to go in with this lip pencil Rose Blush by Average Lane. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this Matte Liquid Lipstick by Kylie Dorsey K. I'm going to go in with my Coppelia gloss.